the only one? I'm with you, Tristan. Dude, what are they doing? Tristan. Hey, our team just ran. We have no team over there. We have no team over there. Come on, Tristan. You two, on me. Got him. Yeah, all right, come on. I'll shoot.
There's nobody over here? Are you fucking kidding me?
Hit! Overflank kill confirmed.
Knee down, knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the fuck back up.
We need to go across.
Yeah, I want to go across. But. Okay. Hold on, this guy, get in.
Oh, hit!
Hit! Get the. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Blake, watch the hole! Oh, hit!
I got you. Yeah! 4, 5, 6, 7.
3, 4, 5.
Okay. Hey guys, we got 3 guys in the next building over here. I'm dead. Look at the broken guys.
You're dead? Oh.
Somebody on this corner over here?
He got the hole.
Yeah, there's somebody on the corner. I'm hit. You have a broken gun?
Yo, they're all sticking together. I can't keep one out over here.
Don't jump like this. We need to move.
All right, well,
Okay, then get moving over there, okay? Okay.
Blake, watch the hole. Don't take your eyes off it.
Yeah, watch that hole. Is that friendly? We got a guy taking a coop.
Blake, shoot through the hole.